Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have HAYLOU W1 and I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues. At first, make sure that they are connected to your device. As you can see, mine aren't, because I have hard resetted them. If yours aren't, just pair them. But if you have both of them paired, you have to disable and enable Bluetooth back. If it doesn't work too, you have to make a soft reset. To make a soft reset, you have to just close the case and open it back. If it doesn't work too, you have to turn your headphones on. To turn your headphones on, you have to hold your finger on these touch panels that look over there for at least 5 seconds. If it doesn't work too, you have to make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, you have to hold your finger on these touch panels over here for at least 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, as you can see, they are restarting. If it doesn't work too, you have to contact your product support. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.